Welcome guys back to another video. My name is Mega and today I'm going to do a prank challenge.
Ow!
I'm not in Barking right now, I'm in somewhere else. I'm still in the New I'm still in the UK, but today I'm going to do a fart challenge. Well, it's not challenge. I'm not going to be actually farting. It's this I'll be doing. It's a prank. So how this thing's going to do is like this fidget spinner, like this fidget spinner. Yeah, I showed you on my previous videos. Yeah.
Taking credit for them.
This will be spinning and hitting the newspaper like this. So you see this newspaper here. This will be spinning, making a fart noise. So yeah. So I don't know. That's my first time doing a prank. I don't know how, but when people be passing by, I will be like, I think I'll be filming them. I don't know, but how does this work? Why am I even making a video anyway?
You have another bed, don't you?
Let me just try this. So, and if I saw it's dark. Yeah, so it's dark. So it's this way. Yeah, so this will be oh fucking this will be very fast and be like doing like this. Farting.
That's what I'm doing every flipping morning.
I'm recording, shush. A YouTube video. Sorry about that. So when the fish be doing this, it'll be farting. So people think we're farting. So I don't know why, but so when people will be coming and that stuff, yeah. So let's get started. Okay, someone is now coming. First they was going this direction, so we're having really fun. Another person. I don't know if this is actually going to go well. Oh. I think he actually saw. I don't know. Wait. Maybe that's the wrong way now. That's close. Let's go back to business. Anyway, I have to go now. I think the challenge didn't go well because some of the people didn't react to it. Yeah, so anyway, it's damn good that someone watching the video. If you like this, punch that like button in the face, like a student, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Look at you, lovely food. This is awesome. Oh my god.
No, it didn't. This is the lovely view. This is the lovely view. You can't even see it. I don't know if you can see it. So, yeah. Is everything, yeah. Bye.